Homemade 20,000 violent fan. You can press the button to start. You can also adjust the air volume. Usually, it is very convenient to blow a little dust at home. The production cost is only more than $30. Affordable and practical. Next, I will introduce the accessories you need. There is also the detailed process of production. 2 pairs of power cords. 50 revolutions per minute, 25 PVC variable diameter. Self-reset metal push-button switch. 12-volt lithium battery. 4056 cooling fan. 40 breathable cap. PWM governor. 50 PVC pipes 11 cm. 50 PVC pipe 16 centimeters. First, you have to cut a saddle opening. It looks better connected this way. How to cut it, I will send a video next time. Because it takes too long to cut this. The saddle mouth needs to be cut and polished, so I won't show the details here. Remove the battery case first. Then place it. How to install it? Look at your own habits. Then put the punch mark on it. Use paper as a reference line. It's more accurate this way. Drill governor hole. Don't judge me when I'm sipping from drill button switch hole. Drill the charging hole. The cooling fan needs to cut off all the corners. Otherwise, it won't fit. I cut one before. I won't cut this. Red battery positive electrode. Blue battery negative electrode. You're superficial. Superficial girl, am I really born? In my land of fairy tales. You were an angel. Eyes so pure and cold. A negative push-button switch. Remember, it's negative, not positive. If you connect the positive electrode, you can't start it with one click. Remember to pass the fixing screw through and then solder. Otherwise, you have to take it apart and re-weld it. Don't ask me why I know. Tighten the fixing screw. This nut is not easy to screw. The positive electrode of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the governor input. The other positive electrode is connected to the fan positive electrode. The negative electrode of the button switch and the negative electrode of the fan are connected together. Space is limited. This speed control switch is not easy to install. After trying it, it can start normally. Fix with hot melt adhesive. Find something to plug the battery first. Play hot melt adhesive again. Cut a round plate to plug the upper and lower nozzles. It is also fixed with hot melt adhesive. Set of imported and breathable caps. That's it. If you don't understand, you can leave me a message. Thank you for watching.